Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is August 28th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Ollie's impressive second quarter results for fiscal 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Ollie's reported net sales of $679.6 million for the second quarter, marking a 17.5% increase year over year. John, what drove this significant growth?
Ollie's growth was primarily driven by new store openings and an increase in comparable store sales. They opened 29 new stores this quarter, which contributed to the sales boost. Additionally, comparable store sales increased by 5%, indicating strong consumer demand and effective sales strategies.
And how did this translate into profitability?
The company reported a net income of $61.3 million, with an adjusted EPS of 99 cents, which beat the analysts' forecast of 91 cents. This 25% increase in EPS reflects Ollie's ability to manage costs effectively while expanding its store footprint.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Ollie's also reported improvements in operational efficiencies. Can you elaborate on their margins and what this means for the company?
Absolutely. Ollie's gross margin increased by 200 basis points to 39.9%, primarily due to lower supply chain costs and higher merchandise margins. Their operating margin also saw an 80 basis point increase to 11.3%, showcasing their ability to control expenses while growing the business.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Ollie's in terms of expansion and growth?
Ollie's is raising its fiscal 2025 outlook, planning to open 85 new stores, up from the previous estimate of 75. This aggressive expansion strategy, coupled with strong consumer demand, positions them well for continued growth.
Consumer engagement and strategic initiatives. John, let's talk about consumer engagement. How is Ollie's leveraging its loyalty program to drive sales?
Ollie's Army, their loyalty program, grew by 10.6% to 16.1 million members. This growth is a testament to their successful customer engagement strategies, including the reimagined Ollie's Days event, which saw an outstanding response from consumers.
And what did the CEO have to say about this quarter's performance?
Eric Valk, the CEO, expressed confidence in the company's trajectory, highlighting their improved planning and execution. He emphasized that new store openings and sales were ahead of expectations, and they are raising their full-year outlook as a result.
Key takeaways. In summary, Ollie's Bargain Outlet has delivered a strong second quarter with impressive sales growth and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and consumer engagement efforts are clearly paying off. John, any final thoughts on Ollie's investment prospects?
Ollie's is well-positioned for continued growth with its aggressive expansion plans and strong consumer base. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to maintain margins and manage costs as they expand.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Ollie's performance in the comments below.